Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to show you how to create your own DIY hair mask. This will restore moisture and repair your hair, and I believe it's probably better than any mask you're going to buy in the store because it's chemical free and it's fresh, because some of those masks that you buy, they've been sitting there for God only knows how long. So yeah, and it's got the chemicals to preserve it. And also guys, look at my hair. So yeah, we're gonna restore it. So yeah, let's get into the video guys. And also, if you're watching, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for loads more content. It literally gives me life when you subscribe and it helps me to create more content. I love you guys so much. So for this hair mask you'll need bananas. I'm going to use 2 because I have a lot of hair, and avocado. These are super good at restoring the moisture back into your hair, and they're full of minerals and vitamins as well. I'm just going to take them and place them into my little blending cup as we are going to blend this together. This prevents any of the bits getting stuck in your hair, which is a no-no, especially if you have curly hair. I like to use spotty bananas so they don't go to waste. And also, bananas are high in potassium and natural oils and carbohydrates and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage in your hair basically. Avocado helps rejuvenate and moisturize the scalp. It's also a rich source of proteins, amino acids and vitamins. It can also help to soothe the scalp and promotes long, strong, healthy hair growth. So I'm just cutting up my avocado, and then I'm going to scoop it out and add it to the cup. And we're going to blend these both together. Always make sure you blend, guys. It'll literally make your hair mask so much better, and none of the bits will get stuck, because I've actually done it before without blending, and oh my god, I literally had avocado stuck. Like, can you imagine my thick curly hair like with bits of avocado? It was literally driving me insane. Just adding in a little bit of water before we blend so it's not too thick. You're now ready to blend, and you want to put it onto smooth boost to ensure there's no bits. And this is how it should look. Wow, super smooth. Now just going to add it into my little bowl, and I'm also just showing you guys I'm making a smoothie as well. I love to do that, like just show you random things that I'm also doing, because I've also made a video on that as well guys, if you want to check it out. Once you've got it into your bowl, we're now going to take some grapeseed oil, which is super high in vitamin E, and we're going to add it to our beautiful little pudding. It literally smells like heaven. So good, I want to eat it, like literally. I even tried it guys. It tasted super sweet. Vitamin E is necessary for hair growth, and it also promotes healthy hair as well. That was like a tongue twister guys, literally. There we go, we've got our beautiful hair mask, much cheaper than the ones you'll buy in the store, and much fresher, and also way more benefits, as it's chemical free, 100% natural. And I'm also just adding in some organic coconut oil as well. It stimulates hair growth, and it can prevent split ends and damaged hair. And it also moisturizes your scalp and prevents dandruff. Making sure that it's all mixed together properly. Mixing in all the oil and making sure it's all nice and smooth. So I've just wet my hair under the shower, and I'm now just, oh, I'm gonna drink my smoothie probably. That smoothie was so good, seriously guys. Did you guys peep my Ohana t-shirt? Literally, have you guys seen the movie? I was obsessed with that. I literally gave me life, that line. Ohana means family. Family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. It was so dope, literally. If that's not a motto to live by, then I don't know what is, guys. Anyways, back to the hair mask. So I'm just going to start applying it to my damp hair. It's always best to apply it to your damp hair. That way it basically retains it more. It'll just like soak it up more. Your hair will benefit way more. It's also really good to focus on the driest parts of your hair, which are usually my ends and the back of my hair. I like to just do my hair in a little twist after applying my deep conditioner. I just feel like this restores the curl pattern and it helps your curls pop even more. So I'm now just going to take, oh my god, this is literally so embarrassing. I thought it couldn't fit my head, literally. I was like, what is wrong with the size of my head? Like, oh my god. But yeah, you'll see, it gets on eventually. So yeah, anyways, the reason why I'm using a carrier bag is because I don't have a shower cap. I know, right? I need to sort out my life. Buy a shower cap. So yeah, the struggle is real. Eventually it fits on my big head. So yeah. Oh gosh. So here I am, ready for my Vogue photo shoot. Kidding, guys. Yeah, so anyways, now I'm just gonna basically leave it like that, and you're gonna want to leave this on for as long as you can possibly bear it. And I was even like contemplating going on the school run with it, but then I thought, no, this is even too crazy for me. So literally I rinsed it off, guys. So yeah. So guys, quick side note, don't be like me, do this in the bathroom, because I've literally got this all over my son's pencil case, everywhere. I really should have moved it. He's gonna be happy. Now it's time to remove our hair mask. And this is my hair straight after rinsing it out. I can't actually believe how soft my hair feels. It's like, wow. And my hair has no product on it. I've just rinsed it out basically. And there you basically have it, your own DIY hair mask. And I actually feel like my hair felt so soft. I couldn't believe it. I'm actually going to stop buying hair masks and just use this one instead, because it's actually amazing and it's so much cheaper than buying the store ones. So yeah, I'm so inspired. I'm like, what have I been doing? Buying hair masks for like £10, which is expensive, instead of just making my own one for like cheap as hell, like avocado, banana. That's all you need. Anyways guys, I'm probably going to show you the rest of my hair once it's styled, because I've just basically rinsed it out. That's all I've done, and I'm now going to go on the school run to pick up the 2 Minions. So yeah, I'm going to show you the finished look probably tomorrow once I've car washed it and then I've styled it. So I'll just show you that tomorrow, because I have so much to do, literally guys. I don't want to bore you with all the stuff I've got to do, but tonight is bath night and I've got to cook and everything, the life of a mum. So yeah, we went from this hot mess to, drum roll please, ta-da, the end result. And I know I'm talking guys, but I'm just talking a lot of crap as per usual. I'm just going on about the hair mask stuff that I've already told you guys, like about how it restores moisture back into your hair and whatnot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I appreciate you all, each and every one of you, so much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for loads more. I'm low-key loving the fact that my hair smells like a banana.